of certificate dahil i-award na natin sa third prize. Pwedeng makira muna yung isang certificate. Content ng certificate. Okay, so the content of certificate is the local government unit of Barugo Leyte hereby awards this certificate of recognition to, of course, to the winning group for winning the third prize for the Pasikatay Hip Hop Dance Competition during the 2015 Barugo Maribong Festival, given this 10th day of May 2015 at Barugo Leyte, Philippines. Signed, Attorney Alden M. Abestrus, Municipal Mayor. Okay, thank you. Our third prize winner goes to... Sa tingin ninyo ang third prize winner? Our third prize winner goes to... The Same Crew! The Same Crew! Congratulations! Kanindut. Okay, congratulations! Congratulations! Same Crew! From Carigara Leyte. Okay, our second prize winner! Sino ba sa tingin ninyo? Okay, the second prize winner to receive 5,000 pesos plus certificates. We have our second prize winner goes to Ground Zero. Okay, so ang ating mga winning team, ang first, second, and third place, pakikadikit ang table para mag-sign kitahan natin. Awardin na, okay. Sino ba sa tingin ninyo? How about people at my right side? Sino ba? Ano nga lang? Banda? Kayo, anong number gusto nyo? Okay, may 1, may 7. Hindi ko alam. And our grand champion for Sikatay, nasa Sikatay Hip Hop Dance Competition 2015 goes to Hyper Boys! Congratulations! And salamat sa lahat! Thank you very much. Okay.